Have you ever wondered how to create smooth professional looking split screen? Okay, so how we can create a transition. You can use shift if you want to move like around 5 frames. You can add a cut from here, and then here what we gonna have to do. Basically now from here we can go to effect controls. We're gonna click on free draw bezier, and then from here can just zoom out a little bit, and then from here we're gonna just add a mask like this, and then from here don't forget to remove the mask feather from here. And then once you've done that, what you're gonna need to do is basically hold option, or on Windows is from there. Now for the other one that is top here, let's go here in effect control, and then here just make sure you select inverted. This is what we have here, and you're gonna see here a problem, this line. So to fix this, you're gonna have to go here and mask expansion and enter -1. Now it will disappear. Nice, great work. From here we're gonna have to actually nest the video. Okay, and then we're gonna go to our first one here, and then we're gonna go here to effects, write transform here, transform, and just drag and drop this, or you can also select the video and double click. And then from here for the first one, I'm gonna go here in effects controls, and then here is very important, around here I'm just gonna add a keyframe, and then around here I'll just enter here 0 0 0 0, and then let's click on here fit, which is okay like this. Now if you see that corner there, you can just increase from this side a little bit and should do the work. And now for the other video, sorry, here for the first one, don't forget here to, almost forgot to uncheck this and increase the shutter angle, increase to 360. You don't have to, but I like to. And now the second one, excuse me, for this one just add another keyframe here for position, and then here enter 190 the resolution of your composition, and seems like it looks nice. Okay, perfect. And now here let's uncheck this and increase the shutter angle. And now what we're gonna have to do, just to select your videos, we're gonna drag the videos on top of the new video, and then this is what we have here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials.